Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. In our last class, we complete the brand section. Let me start the product section, right? Product section, if you go to the product section, you must have a relationship, right? So what is a relationship? So if you are a category, it consists of many products, right? Imagine if you have a brand, one brand consists of many products, right? One category consists of many products, one brand consists of many products. So one to many relationship, category and brand. So how to associate with the relationship, right? So first what you are going to do is, first I'm going to go to the entity class. Here I'm going to make the new class. Here what you're going to do is I'm going to make it as a new entity which is a product, right? Which is a product, right? The same thing as this entity, the class, this all things I'm going to paste it over here, right? Right, this is called as future, it's a product, right? Here, product class consists of the this following method. So the all things I just copied, paste over here, right? It has a auto increment ID. This one should be the product ID. So you have to not category. This is the product ID. Product ID. It's a product ID. Product ID, right? Okay. Second one is a product name. So the database we have to create it as a product name look like this. This is the API field. We have to create as a product name. Product name. Right. So after that, what you're going to do is we have to add the rest of the fields. Right. So what are the fields we have to add? So I want to add another one is a category ID and brand ID. So we have category and brand, we have to associate with the relationship. What is the relationship? Category and brand. Category. What's the relationship to product? Which is a one-to-one category as a many products. One to many. What is one to many? So how to associate with in springboot one to many? So this is the things you have to be careful how to do it. Okay, how to implement the one to many relationship, right? So first what you are going to do is we have to go to the category section, right? The category section, what I'm going to do is here I'm going to implement the relationship, right? So how to implement the relationship is one to many relationship. Okay, so here you have to write one, right? One category as many products. So here write one to many. You have to add the annotation which is a one to many. After that, you have to write it to the second one. You have to write the private set. You have to set list of what is the list of, you have set it as a list of products. List of product. List of product. List of product. Right? So here we have write products. This is a product set. So you have write products. You have write products. Okay. So here we have to add the alt plus enter key and to add this set class. It is under the utility package, right? So this is the products. Okay. So one to many. So here, right? So here we have to write the mapping. So we have to write the mapping. So we have mapping. How to do the mapping over here is, right? Let's go back to my products. Here's one to many. So here one category as many products. So we have set of the products. One category as set of collection of products. So you have to write set. Right. So that, and other hand, which is a products part, how to do the thing is in the products part, we have to write it as a, you have to write many. You have to write many to one. Many to one, you have to write join columns. Another annotation, you have to write join column. You have to write name equal. Right here, you have to write a name equal. Here, right, this one should be the brand ID. So it's a, sorry, category ID. You write cat ID. Your cat ID, comma, your nullable false. Right. So you have to write here private. This one should be the cat. This one should be which one is a? This one is a. This one should be the category. So you have to write category, right? This one should be category. You have to write this one, right? Category, right? Now what I'm going to do is here. It's a many to many. So here what I'm going to do is here write the category here. The same thing you have to mapping to here. You have to write it here. The mapping tool we have to write it here. You have to map by category. Right. What's the name you are using here? The same name you have to write it over here. This is the map by. It is mapping by. This is refer to this. Right. So okay, what I did here is join column. This is a join. This is a column. It should be created as a category ID, which is a foreign key. Right. Once you add the record. Okay. Record should be taken from here. This is the entity category. This is a list. Right. So it will be here. We have to make the relationship. Right. One to many category. Right. The same thing we have to do it as a brand as well. So brand, what I'm going to go to the same thing, the category which we did it in the brand also we are moving to the brand part. So what I did here is here also the brand also we have to write this same thing. Set of products. This is set of products, right? One brand has many products. So one brand has many products. So it's a many. So it's a brand. So refer to brand. So what you're going to do is the products part, the same thing, and just copy and paste it here. This one should be the another column which is a brand. Here also we have brand. That's this one should be able to make it as ID, which is a brand ID. That's it. That's the thing you have got. One to many relationship. Right? So how to implement the one to many relationship? First the category. Again, I'm going to as a brief, I'm going to explain it. First you have to come to the one side. This is a one category has many products. So category we have to implement the one to many relationship. So one category is a set collection of products. You have to use the set keywords to collection of products, right? So the map by category. So what I'm going to do is product side, moving to over here. This one is a category. You have to, it's a category. This is a category. This object you have to use it over here. Category is a cat eye. This is a, you have to use many to one, right? This is we have to use the join columns, right? Right. So now what I'm going to do is now I'm going to make this all the things into our products. You have to write it right click. You have to write generate constructor. We have to get all the constructor value. After that, I'm going to use it the second one, which is a blank constructor. Third one should be the generate constructor. You get this expect ID, another all the columns you have selected here. After that, you have generate the get and set methods. Generate get and set method, all the properties you have to okay. After that, you have write it here as right click generate string method, click OK. Right. Now what you're going to do is I'm going to execute the program, click on the play button. Right. Now it is working without any error problem. Now let me check here. Right now refresh it. Let's refresh it. Right. The product table has been created. You can see, as you can see here, the product table has been created. You can see if we are double click and open it. Now you can see here, it's successfully mapped here. Brand ID, category ID. Right? It's mapping. Right? It's mapping. Okay, so once you add the record, it's successfully mapping here. Brand ID and category ID. Okay, I hope you guys you understood things. So how the relationship this things will be very must. Okay, you must go through my video to one or two times, then only you can catch up the relationship. Okay, if you must understand what is the relationship of one to many. One category has many products. one brand has many products. Okay, so how to implement this one? First one, you have the category, also category side here, one to this one. After that, it's a one to many. After the product side, you have to implement the many to one here. The same thing at other hand, brand also the same thing. You have to delete a brand one to many. Here also many to one here, right? Perfect. I hope you guys understood things well. I will see my next video lecturing. Thank you.